How to do a poll or choice activity. A choice activity asks you a question and lets you choose one of several different answers. First, we'll scroll down and find a choice activity. It's also called a poll. I'll click on the geography poll. Next, I'll read the question. If you could go to one of these places for a summer vacation in Canada, which would you choose? Then the instructions say, click on the button or circle beside your choice. I'll read the choices: Maritimes, the Rockies, the Arctic, the Prairies, Quebec, Newfoundland, Ontario. I'll click on one circle for my choice. I'll choose the Rocky Mountains as the place I would like to visit on my summer vacation. Then I'll click on the Save My Choice button. Next, we will see the results page with a message saying, your choice has been saved. If we rest or hover the mouse over a line on the chart, you will see the number of responses and the percentage of all responses. I voted for the Rockies. That's 25%. 2 people chose the Arctic. That's 50%. And 1 person chose Quebec. That's 25%. There can be a number of different polls or choice activities in your course. They are fun to do and tell you what other students are thinking.